Hi, I'm Nasir Priyanka. As my daily job, I work as a senior data engineer at a startup in Hyderabad. I'm a very friendly, talk over a cup of coffee kind of girl, and I love to meet new people. Since I was a young girl, I still love painting. I scribble everywhere when I get my hands on a paper and a pen, and I love colors. Maybe that would be part of my inspiration to start my side hustle, which is source artling. My 9 to 5 job is pretty good. I work from 10 to 6 and sometimes in the night, totally depends on the schedule. And yeah, I like my job, great culture and a fun place to work there. But I always make time for my side hustle either in the evenings or over the weekend because it's something which I really love to do. Source Artling, Source means this is in French. Me and my younger sister started this page around 8 months back. Um, Source Artling is all about making people to explore the new art mediums, which are alcohol inks, resin, and gouache. And we also specialize in making custom abstract paintings for people's homes. While most artists avoid the route of making commission pieces or custom orders, we truly try for the connection of meeting new people in their homes and making something meaningful art for them. Um, so it all started out as a hobby, and later about 3 months when we saw 300 followers, and that's when we thought, let's explore the new mediums and take it to the next level. So we started conducting workshops and sold a couple of artworks, and it was pretty good till now. And we continued and were consistent with whatever we were doing. And currently we conduct workshops thrice a month, and all of our artworks are for sale, and you can even get the prints available printed if needed. um, Currently we were trying to change things up and make much more affordable small artistic gifts which are affordable than the larger piece one. We just started doing this during the pandemic time. I was just doing my regular work from home job and was exploring the Instagram feed, and then happened to see a couple of artist videos sharing their experience as an artist and how they quit their own job to do something they love. That's when I thought, of course, not to quit the job, but at least why not start it, right? And you all know the rest of the story. Uh, and to mention, I got tremendous support from the fellow artist community out there. I was never a social media person before I started this page, and was truly amazed by uh, how supportive the artist community in the Instagram outside. Well, there's no one particular advice I can give to people, but I would say, don't wait, start it, and make at least some time every day. That can be 1 hour, or it can be as least as 10 minutes. Do it and be consistent, because consistency is very important for artists. And for someone who have just started or who wanted to start, I would say, collaborate with the fellow artists, and because that in a way you can guys can grow together, support each other, and also you get to meet people who are of similar interest. uh, I would definitely say there are a couple of artists who are really super supportive, so do check them out.